Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how we can actually create beats or music with Music AI. So there is like a bunch of Music AI's applications, but in this specific video, we will try this Music AI which called Boomy. So as you can see here, I will just open it and here it is. So basically now what I have to do guys to create our own song, we have to click on create which is on the middle of this menu. So create song and here we'll have to log in. So you can just log in using Apple account, Gmail or even Facebook. So as you can see now I have logged in. Now basically I just have to choose which style of music. So for example, let me just accept the terms and let's say relaxing meditating natural and let's try. hmm okay, I will go with this one. And now as you can see it will start creating us some composing some stuff together and making the data, collecting the informations and trying to make some specific unique instruments for us. So let's wait for it a little bit. And let's wait. Here is the circles moving. Let's wait. So it can take some time because like it's new AI, it doesn't have really that much features, but at the end it will give you some kind of a music. So here it is. Now it's making some progress as you can see, fetching, and here we go. S- So let me just reduce the volume a little bit and I will make you listen to it as well. So let me just unmute and here you go. So this is our music actually using this AI guys. So yeah, it is not really that good instruments or beats, but it is what it is. It won't be that perfect because you are using AI. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.